Did you see the intro? And that intro is all thanks to it's the first one. The intro is all thanks to this girl. She's actually a very, very good friend. This girl, yeah, my Hacker Hunter account, this girl got hacked. No one is safe, yeah. I'll just get the thingy on, because I don't know where the conversation started. Goodbye, my dear. Oh my god. It's somewhere here, I know it. This video's been 1 minute already. Okay. So she got the thingy, so I said, OMG, get off. And she said, like, hello, child. Great, man. I'm like, who are you, though? Grim, Miss Outrage, who the cat shall, oh my god, the secret shall not be shown. I'm a cat. What did we do to you? Nothing, my dear. By the way, can I call you Strawberry? No, sir. Is there a virus? No, dear, you have to learn slow, so you'll be hacked too. You're next. Please, not me. I'll do anything. You're next. I'll do anything. Just not me. Anything, my dear? Like jump off a cliff? Because I'll push you. No, not that. Goodbye, my dear. I'm on the account. It's going to log me out, I think. Do you know who it was? No. No, I'm so scared. I changed the P. I know they said I'm going next, freak. OMG, hello? Talking to your little friend, are you? ... I'm the new hacker, sweetheart. Say bye-bye. Why? Hello, hello. Hacker, you there? Oh, yes, I'm here. And that's all. Then she logged off, and the real owner of this account, oh, devil. Literally. You're a rat. I'm a cat. I should have said that to this. Anyway, I'm really scared right now. White Hacker Hunter. Tell me if you see a hacker. Yeah, the name is GirlGal345. Someone gave me the account, that's why I decided to turn this into White Hacker Hunter. The account is GirlGal345. Tell me if you see anything scary going on. And yeah, oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god, it's the first one. Are you sure? Yeah. I searched it up myself. It's packed. Is it Visha? Visha. Oi. Okay, what the heck is she doing? Oh my god. So. Is it this one? Oh my god, what if there's a Fisher Packer? Teehee. Okay, what the heck is that? Anyway, this was just a warning that there's a new hacker on the Canada server, and its first victim was my Hacker Hunter friend. So yeah, let's start the real video. Today we're going to thingy. Look in the shops for res. We only have 10 minutes. Yeah, die. I'll tell her that I used her intro for the video. I'm wrecked again. And I used your intro. Oh, come on. I'm wrecked again. And I used your intro. This is the intro I was using. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna see if this actually works. So, okay. By the way, check out the vid I just posted. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to get a shout out, all you have to do is click that bell, comment on my newest videos that you did it. Oh, and most importantly, if you have Canada server, you need to send me 1 ultra. But if you wanna get like the shout out straight away, even though there was like 5 people before you need to send me like a VIP ticket. By the way, I have 21 subscribers. I'm so happy right now. Like, finally. By the way, check out the video I just posted. Yeah. Which will be this one for you guys, but I don't really know what to do. Hacker hunting? Sure, I don't finish hacker hunting last video. Remember, I need to show. The dolly. The dolly, there you go. Maybe one of the dollies is the one. Okay. I think I know who hacked her. Like, she could have gave me a clue about who she was, but nope, she just left me alone. Like this. Sad life. Anyway. Now I found, yeah, I told you the hackers in the last video. Oh no, we only have literally 6 minutes left. How about the cloud? Which one was it? Which one was it that I found these hackers on? Is it this one? No, it was that one. Don't walk in the woods. Yeah, I can walk in the... This one's active. Hello. Now, where's your Right. I'll give you pizza. Yay! Ew, what's this one? Decline. Oh! Don't go in the woods alone. If this one's back, oh my god! We only have 4 minutes left, but who cares? Miss me? I'm back. I'm back. Nobody's safe for now. I know who hacked her. Oh no. Trapped in the attic. I destroy everything I touch. You might not know as yet. Hacked by the Teratons. Oh my god, yeah. Trapped in the basement. Dude, I destroy everything I touch. The Teratons are back. Hacked by trapped in the basement. Yes. Outrage. We're gonna friend everyone. Don't bother talking to me. You'll know me soon. Hacked by Miss Outrage. Oh my god. Virus user. Your next ruffles 30. Oh my god, she got hacked by them. Hacked by the virus user. Okay. Who's this one? Virus user. And who's this one? Dropped in the basement. We haven't checked out this one. Go on more. Oh my god, Reaper. Go. Haunted by the past, haunted by the future. Hacked by the Grim Reaper. I love this. I'm friending all the hackers in this room. Grammar, because I want to check out more about that girl. Oh, so fake. Wait. What? Rain. Duh. Oh my god. You literally can't. Wait. The clown. Which one was it? Here. Dolly. Is that her? No. No. It's her gang. God, oh my god. Who's coming online? No. Oh, bye guys! Well, I think that's going to be it for now. So, bye guys!